Hi guys, today I am teach in class 9. It means today class is only for class 9. Okay student, listen to me. Chapter 3, memory unit in a computer. After that I will just teach you software. Okay, first of all, can you tell me what is the use of memory unit in computers? Okay, I am telling you, and everyone try to understand. Okay, what I want to say. Memory is a storage media in our computer, which store every data, program, and software in your computer. And you know very well, memory is measured by using nibble, bits, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte and terabyte. Okay. Memory is basically divided into two sections in computer. First one is primary memory, second one is secondary memory. Primary memory, RAM and ROM, also known as primary memory. Okay, RAM, random access memory. This type of memory store our data in temporary way, because when you switch on your computer, every file and document you can see on the desktop. It means every file activate in your computer by using RAM. So that's why RAM is called volatile memory. Second one is ROM. You know very well, read only memory. This memory is also called non-volatile or permanent memory in your computer. One thing, can you tell me why does ROM known as permanent memory? Because this memory store your data in permanently way. It means when you do some work in your computer, your data is saved by using ROM in your computer. Okay. So I think you know very well what is the difference between RAM and ROM and what is memory. Okay. Second section is a secondary memory device in your computer. Secondary means other devices that you have to insert in your CPU, known as secondary memory device, like floppy disk, hard disk, CD-ROM, Blu-ray disc, pen drive are also known as a secondary device. But some of the devices you can insert as a external ways, and some of the devices used as internal ways, like hard disk and floppy disk already inbuilt in your CPU. Okay. Hard disk, you know very well, hard disk is a main storage device in your computer where our data and every program is stored. CD-ROM, compact disk, read only memory. It means this type of disk only store 750 MB or megabyte of data. DVD, you know very well, 1 to 5 GB data store. Okay. And next one is 10 flash drive. This type of device is a compact storage device which can hold data normally up to 125 GB and is available in size from 4 to less than 1 GB also. Okay. And you know very well, USB device like pen drive, memory card are also known as external memory device. Okay, you can transfer your data by using this type of device. Okay, stick card, memory card, you know very well, and only these things. Okay, or any doubt anyone have? Only memory devices, memory types include in chapter 3. Okay. If you have any doubt, you just contact with me and call me and send me your test if you have any query. Okay, next video I will teach you software types, and what is the use of software in your computer system. Okay, listen carefully and read your chapter carefully. If you have any doubt, you just contact with me. Okay, bye, take care, see you.